Hello everyone. Today we're just going to do a brief walkthrough of how to connect SendGrid with cPanel to manage email sending from your website. So you want to log into your WHM account, click on Service Configuration, and then XIM Configuration Manager, and then go ahead and click on Advanced Editor. Then we're going to update cPanel's email configuration. We want to find the section called Section Auth, and then paste this into the text box and replace your SendGrid username and SendGrid password with your actual username and password. And then we want to find the section pre-routers and do the same here. You want to copy this and paste it here, replacing the domain name in the sender's line with your domain name. And then we move on to the section transport start and copy this and paste it there in the text box. There we go. And then, yeah, I think that's it. Great, that's it. You can go ahead and send a test email from your cPanel email account to ensure that the connection to SendGrid is working properly. All right, that's it for today with these steps. I believe you can now send emails via SendGrid through your cPanel setup, ensuring better email deliverability. And if you haven't tried SendGrid, just hit the link in the description and get your free trial today.